as promised today, working on the BMW 335xi N54 twin turbo, direct injected straight six. Pretty quick little car, but around July last year, after a road trip, a couple of the injectors took a crap, so here we are. First time changing direct injected gasoline fuel injectors. I've done diesels, but this shouldn't be too bad, so let's get to it. First thing first, we'll have to put these retainer spacers on the new injectors. They come in the kit from FCP Euro. Probably the best place to get them, FCP Euro. Brand new OEM parts from BMW. They just have the best price there. And they have lifetime warranty. So here's your spacer ring seal. Not sure what it's called exactly. Just goes right on here. And slides up, and they stick in this groove right here. Little fingers to hold it in place. And that's it. So, one down, 5 to go. Sorry about the noise. That's just my heaters going. It's a little cold. Next thing I'm gonna do, these numbers right here, 575 and then 232. I'm gonna write that on each one of these boxes, whatever, each one's different. It's a flow rate. I'm gonna write the flow rate for this on this box. I'm also gonna label what cylinder this goes into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, obviously. When we're done, we have to program these into the ECU so the computer knows how much fuel is gonna come out as long as this is open. And I'll show you how to do that later too. It's pretty simple. It's got an Android tablet with Pro Tool on it. Has INPA integrated. You can do it right from here. You can do a Bluetooth. I got a little Bluetooth DLC dongle. It's actually not very hard, but I'll walk you through it later. Alright, now that that's taken care of, next step, we got to take the fuel lines off. These are high pressure fuel lines. I think they go up to like 5,000 PSI. It's a 14 millimeter wrench. Just pop them loose. We'll take all 6 off at the same time. I'm going to cover these up with some blue towels to keep dirt out of here. And then we'll be ready to do injectors. There's a bracket down here. It's a M or an E10 external Torx nut. And then that bracket holds these 2 injectors down. I'll pop these 2 injectors out, stick the new ones in, and tighten that down. There's an expanding seal on the injectors. You only got 5 minutes from the time you pull the sleeve off the end of the injector right here until that seal swells up and it won't go in the hole properly. So that's why I do 2 at a time. We'll pop these 2 out, shove the 2 in, torque that 10 foot-pounds, and when we're done, we'll do the programming and we'll take her for a drive. Next I gotta unplug each injector plug. There's a little tab, it's kind of down there. I won't be able to get it on camera, but it takes a little pick tool. You just push the pin, pull it up. The coil unplugging itself, that's not good. Get these unplugged, pop this bracket off, and get my puller on the injectors, pop them out of there, stick the new ones in. Let's do it. camera up. I messed up, blowing air down to clear all the debris out. Yeah, almost ruined my camera. So there's the M8 or E10 we got to take out, and then we'll get these injectors popped out. All right, it's time to get these injectors pulled, 1 and 2. I got this tool. It was a kit from FCP Euro as well. Screws onto the injector fuel line fitting, and then it's just a tiny slide hammer. Let's do this! Thread this on here first. Make sure we grab plenty of threads. Alright, you guys ready? This is my first time. Probably should put some oil on these threads. That'll be alright. Yeah, kind of tight. I think that seal everyone talks about is right here. Little band swells up. We'll see what that does in a few minutes. Number 2, let's go. Oh, that one was easy. All right, time for new injectors. Here we go. Not sure how that pushes in. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let's go. That one pushed in. I don't think this one pushed in right. Let's get this bracket on. Injectors are installed. Really, don't mind my dogs outside. Just got the injectors in, everything's tightened up. My buddy's here, he's gonna hold the camera for me later. He's outside talking on the phone, but getting ready to do the coating. And I started before I turned the camera on, but that's okay. I'll show you in a little bit here. So there's the old code, or well, it's not the old code, it's just an example. Here's the new. You just type it in, confirm, make sure 57232, correct, confirmed, and it might change the last 2 digits. There's a warning on it right here, so pretty easy to do, so don't be afraid to tackle it yourself. So we'll do injector 2 now. 581248. Confirm. 581248. Confirm. Injector 3. This is how easy this is. It's really not as hard as I thought it'd be. Can't read my handwriting. I don't know if that's a 6 or a 0. It's a 6. Alright, operation successful. Now we'll look at it again, just make sure it's at least close. 48. Good enough, yeah, we're done. That's all it takes. That's done under functions and injector coating in Pro Tool. Alright, let's see how it runs. Hell yeah. instead of $2,500, so. Junk, yes, not anymore. Got the injectors done. Ran into some problems with the ignition coil wells being full of water because I don't have the cowl that goes over here, covers the computer and everything, or the engine cover that covers all that. But I had some extra ones sitting on the shelf, so got that all taken care of, running good. New cooling fan. Cooling fan's working now. Hasn't worked in a year since I bought the car, but we got her going now. Next thing is all-wheel drive, because it's still broken. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. See you later.